Hello everyone, today I'm bringing back a very special but authentic Chinese dish, Mapo Tofu. I'm going to experiment with Impossible Burger meat which is plant-based and environmentally friendly. The original of Mapo Tofu can be traced to 1862, during the Qing dynasty, and to an old woman named Chen Po in Chengdu, Sichuan. Now Mapo Tofu have become one of the most famous authentic Chinese dishes. In the end of the video, I will list out all the ingredients for this dish. Okay, then let's get started. First of all, we need to cut the tofu into square cubes. Boil a pot of water and then add a pinch of salt. Slide the tofu in and cook it about a minute. The tofu cubes in the boiling water with a little amount of salt can help to make the tofu stronger and get rid of the beany taste in the tofu. Now we're going to mince the garlics as well as the fermented black beans. Once they're all prepared, let's set them aside. Let's take a look at the Impossible plant-based meat. My husband and I grew lots of vegetables, but we can't raise meat. So we're very excited that we found a plant-based meat as an alternative. In this dish, we will only need about 170 grams. The color and texture looks no different than the real meat. Okay, let's get them fried. Heat up the wok and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the minced plant meat until crispy. Once they're cooked, transfer them out. We're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil and fry the peach and chili bean paste with the minced fermented black bean for about a minute over the slow fire until the oil turns red. Add the minced garlic and red chili flakes together to cook about 30 to 45 seconds until aroma. Add in the cooked meat and give it a good fry. I forgot to press record button here, but you just need to pour in hot water together with the tofu. Simmer for another 6 to 8 minutes. The longer time of simmering helps the tofu to absorb the flavors. During the processing of simmering, make the starch water mixture. Pour half of the mixture to the simmering pot, wait for another 15 seconds and add another half. You can always add some scallions on top for the freshness. Little tip here, always use the back of the spatula to push to avoid destroying the texture of the tofu. Sprinkle Sichuan peppercorn powder on top of the dish. And voila, time to try this very special Mapo Tofu with plant-based meat. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.